School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School Weekly Online Assembly. Well, my first message this week is just to remind all students that on the way to school, on the way home from school, during recess and lunch times, and where practical, any time that we're outside during the day participating in our learning, that we wear the approved school hat. I certainly look forward to seeing children around the school, that is every single student wearing a hat when they're outside, and that's going to become, well, not only important at the moment, but very, very important as we move into the term. The weather gets warmer and we see a lot of sun when we're out and about in the grounds. Thank you, everyone. My next message is to share some exciting news that on Monday, Mrs. Ellis will be taking a group of our senior students to the Dandenong Basketball Stadium, where they will be participating in the All-Stars Hoop Time Basketball Competition. I wish our students every success, good luck, and I'll certainly be sharing that information on their return with the school community. Good luck, children. I know you're going to have a lot of fun on the day. I know you're going to do well. Just a reminder about every student in the school. My expectation is that you read every single day. Find something you really enjoy reading. It could be for 5 minutes, it could be an hour, but make sure that you pick up a book or something to read and take that time to enjoy what you're doing. As I said, my expectation, but it is also an expectation of every teacher in the school. The SWPBS goal for next week, and your teachers will be sharing this with you, is based on resilience. And it's all about being in the playground. Sometimes we call it the yard, but when we're in the yard or the playground, we follow the rules of the game. And that not only applies during recess and lunch, but also if you're playing games, say before school or even after school. All right, thank you everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
All right, who is ready to get thinking? Time for a riddle. Here we go. If you drop a yellow hat into the Red Sea, what does it become? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, let's see whose brains went to work there. If you drop a yellow hat into the Red Sea, what does it become? Wet. Well done if you got that one. I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a fabulous week, and I'll see you all again soon.
Koalas are a type of mammals. Their average lifespan in the wild is 20 years.
The megalodon can grow up to 15 to 18 meters in length.
99% of all species that have existed on Earth have gone extinct.
The female axolotl will begin to lay her eggs 12 to 20 hours after mating.
A megalodon can defeat 3 great white sharks at a time.
The megalodon is the largest marine animal.
Fur isn't white, it's actually transparent with a hollow core that reflects light. Flamingos can walk on water.
The Great Barrier Reef is the largest reef system on Earth. You can even see it from space.
Green sea turtles can get up to 5 feet and they are also 700 pounds. When ladybugs are scared, they pretend to be dead.
In fact, scientists find more than 45 new dinosaur species each year. A megalodon bite could crash a car. Mexican axolotl salamanders are amphibians that spend their whole life underwater. A Mexican walking fish is a type of fish that can walk underwater and has 4 different limbs that can grow back.
Giza, and I can do this.
Hi, my name is Rhythm, and I can make a 3-leaf clover with my tongue.
Hi, my name is Jordan and I can do this.
Hi, my name is Hassan and I can do this with my thumb.
Hi, my name is Lucy and I can do this.